Greetings, coders. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a simple menu indicator. This feature helps users identify which menu is active. Additionally, I will show you how to implement the indicator using reusable code. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple and clean sidebar menu that's easy to replicate. Feel free to use or modify the design for your projects. To keep the menu minimal and borderless, I'll use a label as the menu button. This approach not only simplifies the design, but also enhances the user experience by maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. I got the icons from the Pitchone app. Pitchone is a free app where you can download high-quality icons at no cost. I'll include the link to the app in the description so you can check it out and use it for your projects too. Ensure each button has proper padding to create an appealing design, or adjust the positioning of the indicator and button label for better alignment. Remove the image from the other button. Declare a list of label collection named Menu List, designed to hold and store menu buttons, enabling efficient management and organization of menu options. Initialize the menu list collection with a new instance of list and populate it with predefined menu buttons Menu 1, Menu 2, and Menu 3. This step sets up the collection to immediately contain the relevant menu options for streamlined access and management. Now create a new method named ActiveMenu. This method is responsible for managing the visual state of the menu buttons. It takes two parameters, active, which represents the currently active menu button, and inactive, which is a list of the other inactive menu buttons. Inside the active menu method, we include a for-each loop to iterate through all inactive buttons and set the image property of each button to null. Now, create a new method named MenuClick. This method will serve as a reusable click event handler for all buttons. You won't need to individually assign an event handler to the event properties of each button. By using this approach, it will help avoid bugs and improve the performance of our app. Invoke the MenuClick method, passing the menu list as a parameter. The click handler method serves as a private event handler for managing click events triggered by menu labels. When a label is clicked, the sender object, representing the control that raised the event, is cast to a label and stored in the variable mn. This allows the program to identify the specific label that was clicked. A switch statement is then used to evaluate the name property of the clicked label. Based on the label's name, the method calls ActiveMenu, passing the clicked label as the first parameter to designate it as active. Simultaneously, a list of the other labels is passed as the second parameter to deactivate them. This approach ensures that the active label is dynamically updated while maintaining a modular and efficient way to handle menu state changes. In the active menu method, remember to set the image for the active button.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.